Hi and welcome to part 3 of the beginner tutorial series on creating a song using Reaper. In the last 2 videos, we have explored how to navigate within Reaper, how to set up tracks, add MIDI information for virtual instruments, install VSTs, set up and record live instruments, and how to render each track to avoid file loss. In this video, we will simply record and edit the vocal track. As always, if you're unsure on how to do anything, or elements of your setup are not working, head back to my previous videos, consult the Reaper help forums, or check out other videos online. And remember, music is not necessarily an exact science. There is room for creativity and experimentation, so have fun. Let's get started. First, ensure you've selected a good quality microphone, or one that you like the sound of or are comfortable with. Each microphone has a different frequency response, so it's good to test a few. I'm using the Specialised condenser that came with the interface pack. Next, make sure that you've set it up so that it's comfortable to use and that you're using a pop filter and headphones. Connect the microphone to the computer via the interface to input 1. For condenser microphones, you need to be using phantom power, so make sure that that is turned on. Okay, add a new track the same way we've done previously and name it vocals. So you can either double click on the left or go up to track and insert new track. I'm going to insert the new track at the end of the list. Name it vocals. Next, select how much you would like to record. I'm going to start with the verse. So we're going to zoom in and record the verse. Next, we need to test the levels of the microphone. So talk into the microphone to test the levels. 2, 1, 2, 1. Again, make sure that you have enough headroom and that you're not going up into the red up here. If it's too low down here, you need to boost the gain on your interface, but you also don't want to be peaking. Next, make sure that your record setting is still on auto punch time selection and that your metronome settings are still correct. Then, once you've done that, you can hit record and start recording for all of your sections. Don't forget to move your tracks onto a different area to record each time.
Many memories through the years, I still look up to you. Looking different ways, never quite grasp how to just be. Guiding me forward despite debates, our walls still stood. Tales of youth never understood, but your strength I share.
Okay, time to organize your clean vocal track. Move each recorded track into position. Copy and paste as you need by using the Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V function. Balance the fade arcs, then select all and glue them together as one track. So let's do that. Glue them together as one track. Now make sure that it has worked by clicking just before each change in section. Ensure the entire project is selected. Make sure that your vocal track is also selected. Hit the W key to go back to the start and make sure that you have rendered your track. You can either keep it as a WAV file or as an MP3. So name your file name as you wish and click render one file. The other thing that you can do is actually change the file name by right-clicking on your track item properties and change your take name to a different name. For example, vocals final. And then click apply and then OK. Save the entire project by going Ctrl S or go to File and Save Project. Great work, guys! You now have all the instruments recorded in a mostly clean and unaffected state. Join me next time where we will explore adding effects to each track such as reverb and compressors, and mixing the overall track for a pleasing demo recording.